How do I save a protocol in SciNote? Can I see all the experiments where I use a particular protocol? In SciNote, there are two ways I can save a protocol. The first is from a task. So after I created my protocol, I will go ahead and click on Protocol Actions and Save as New Template. I will give it a name. I will decide if I want to grant access to all the team members or not. If I decide to do so, I will also assign a role to each member. If they are viewers, they will only be able to access and view the protocol. If they are users, they will be able to make edits but not publish it, and the owner has full rights. I will go ahead and save. After I saved my protocol, I will find it in the templates repository in the protocol section. Here I can search for a specific template. And then from here, I will go ahead and publish it. This is the second way I have to create and make a protocol available to everyone or just selected team members. Here, I also have the chance to add the revision notes and publish. If I navigate back to the main list, I will be able to see a lot of information. The first one is how many versions I have of a specific protocol. So if I click here, I can see that there is one version, when it has been published, and by who. The second very important information is tracking where a specific protocol has been used. Here, for example, I can see that it has been used once, and if I click, I have the indication of the project, experiment, and task where that specific protocol has been used.